Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many Java developers face when working with the Scanner class NoSuchElementException. When reading input in a method after closing the scanner in main, if you've ever encountered this error, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand what's causing this issue and how to fix it. The Scanner class is a powerful tool for reading input from users, but it can also lead to some tricky situations if not used correctly. In this video, we'll dive into the details of why NoSuchElementException occurs when trying to read input in a method after closing the scanner in main. We'll explore the concepts and steps involved, so you can confidently work with scanner objects in your own project. So what happens when we close a scanner? Object, when we call to close. Method on a scanner object. It closes the underlying input source, which is usually system. Infra-console input. This means that any subsequent attempts to read from the same input source will result in a NoSuchElementException, because the input source has already been closed. Now, let's consider what happens when we try to read input in a method after closing the scanner in main. When we pass a scanner object to a method, it creates a copy of the reference to the original scanner object. This means that both the main method and the called method are referencing the same scanner object. If we close the scanner object in the main method, it will also be closed for the called method, leading to the NoSuchElementException when trying to read input. To illustrate this concept, let's consider an analogy. Imagine you're sharing a water bottle with someone else. If one person closes the cap on the water bottle, it becomes unavailable for both of you to drink from. Similarly, when we close a scanner object in main, it becomes unavailable for any subsequent methods that try to read input from it. So what are the key points to take away from this discussion? Firstly, when you close a scanner object, it closes the underlying input source and makes it unavailable for further reading. Secondly, when passing the scanner object to a method, be aware that both methods are referencing the same object. So closing it in one method will affect the other method as well. We've explored why NoSuchElementException occurs when trying to read input in a method after closing the scanner in main. We've seen how closing a scanner object affects subsequent attempts to read from it, and how passing scanner objects between methods can lead to unexpected behavior. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on Java programming. Thanks for watching.